Hello everyone, this is Ahmad from Enbon. For many years, Enbon has been dedicated to the research and development, manufacturing and application of high-quality LED displays. Our products cover a full range of indoor and outdoor display solutions. Enbon's LED products are renowned for their high refresh rate, high definition and fine picture quality, as well as flexible installation, and are highly favored by customers. To better serve global customers, Enbon has established local offices in China, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Japan, and India, building a service network covering the major markets in Asia. We adhere to the concept of localized service and global vision, providing rapid response and professional guarantee to ensure that every customer is at ease and worry-free. Enbon's LED solutions are lighting up every wonderful moment in the world. Welcome to contact us for customized LED solutions.